boy G Money. Here, Dances Elite, Digital Thursdays, hosted by yours truly, G Money Promotions and Productions, Loyalty Media Group. We here, man. We gonna get it in tonight, man. I mean, this is the first night that I'm hosting on Thursday night, but it's gonna go real digital tonight, man. I got Team Exquisite Models. They're gonna be featured tonight and every Thursday night. So this is how we do it, man. You know, I'm going to go grab the mic, do what I do, wait for the dancers to get settled in, so forth and so on. I'm probably gonna hop on that mic by 11 o'clock, do what it is I do. So first night, man. We about to get it in, man. It's just a little quick little video. Ain't not too much. You know how that shit is, man. But I'ma holler at y'all later, man. Peace.